Let us discuss a problem on the double integration. Here, by using the transformation x plus y equal to u, y equal to uv, show that integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1 minus x e power y by x plus y dy dx equal to 1 by 2 into e minus 1. First, we can take the region of integration, that is the limits of x and y. Here, the region of integration in this, the first one is the y limits. Y limits are y equal to 0 to y equal to 1 minus x. From this, x plus y equal to 1. And x limits are x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. Okay, here, and the given transformations, x plus y equal to u and y equal to uv. Here, y equal to uv substitute in x plus y is equal to u. From this, x plus uv equal to u. Here, x equal to u minus uv, then x equal to u into 1 minus v. Now we can transform the xy limits to uv. Here, in the limits of y equal to 0, then uv equal to 0. From this, either u equal to 0 or v equal to 0. Okay. In another case, x plus y equal to u. Since x plus y equal to u, that is the limit of y equal to 1 minus x. So from this, x plus y equal to 1. Okay. X plus y equal to 1 substitute in x plus y equal to u. From this, u equal to 1. If u equal to 1, then v is also equal to 1. The limits of u and v are 0 to 1 and 0 to 1. Here, x and y are in the x plus y equal to 0. 1 is the one line equation and y equal to another line equation, x equal to 1. This is the x equal to, suppose it is 1 comma 0 and here 0 comma 0. Here x comma y, here 0 comma 1. Okay, these are the limit values. It is the x plus y equal to 1. This is the region. And the uv means here u and v are the limits of 0 and 1. Here u equal to 1 comma 0, v is, it is 1 comma 0, and u and v both are intersect and 1 comma 1. It is the transformation of the region. Okay, now we can find out here dx dy is equal to what is the uv. Okay, that is the determinant of Jacobian du dv. Here find out dx dx by du equal to since the equations are x plus y equal to u, y equal to uv. Dx by du equal to, that is x equal to, from this here x equal to u minus uv, y equal to uv. It is 1 minus v, dou x by dou v equal to minus u. And dou y by dou u equal to v, dou y by dou v equal to u. Jacobian of x comma y by u comma v equal to dou of x comma y by dou of u comma v. It is equal to determinant dou x by dou u dou x by dou v, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v. It is equal to determinant 1 minus v minus u, v, u. It is equal to 1 minus v into u, minus into minus plus uv. It is equal to u minus vu plus uv equal to u. So, determinant of j is equal to u only. Therefore, du dx dy is equal to u du dv, and x equal to u minus uv, that is u into 1 minus v, and y equal to uv. Substitute, and xy limits means the uv limits are u and v limits from 0 to 1. Both limits are 0 to 1. These values substitute in the given double integral, that is double integral 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus x e power y by x plus y dx dy equal to u and v limits are 0 to 1, 0 to 1 e power y equal to uv, and x plus y equal to u. What are the given? Y equal to uv, x plus y equal to u. This is u, and dx dy is u du dv. U get cancelled. It is equal to integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1 e power v dv into u du. E power v dv equal to integral 0 to 1 e power v only, limits from 0 to 1 u du. It is equal to integral 0 to 1 e power 1 minus e power 0 into u du. That is equal to e minus 1 is a constant right outside, integral 0 to 1 u du. That is equal to e minus 1. U integration is u square by 2, limits from 0 to 1. E minus 1 into 1 square means 1 by 2 minus 0 by 2 is 0, equal to 1 by 2 into e minus 1. Therefore, integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1 minus x e power y by x plus y dx dy equal to 1 by 2 into e minus 1 is the answer.